Hi guys, welcome to Mom's Chinese kitchen. Today let's check what's in my fridge, then we decide what I'm going to cook. Let's get started. Let's check what in my fridge. Only sauces. Cheese, but I'm going to cook Chinese food, so there's no pineapple, no. Aha.宝贝. Let's take some tomato. Oh, spring onion. Let's check what's in the chiller. Yeah, you jump out, I will choose you. Beef roll. And we have window wrap. Okay. Here we go, everything is ready. The window wrap and beef rolls, the veggies, tomato, and quail eggs. Let's make a Chinese noodle soup. First up, let's chop the tomato into small pieces. You can cut any shape you want. For me, I just want to cut small pieces. It's more easier to cook. We'll crack the eggs. Let's quickly beat them. Spring onions. Remove the head and we chop into small slices. Now is the window wrap. Let's open it up. I defrost it, so you can easily take it out. I'm only cooking for me and my daughter, so this much is enough. Easy noodles coming. We chop like this. We chop like this. And here. And here. We turn on the heat and put oil in. And we start put the tomatoes, spring onion white. Let's saute them. About 2-3 minutes. Soy sauce in. Oyster sauce in. Five spice powder. Stir it a little bit. Hot water in. Now let's add the noodles in. Stir a little bit, just to make sure it will not get stick together. We drop some beef rolls. Beef roll is easy to cook. We can put it after the noodles almost ready. Let's add some veggies. This is very easy to cook, like it's very quick as well. Finally, let's add some egg. We pull it like this, yeah. Here we go, the umami tomato beef roast soup noodles. Wow, it's really smells really good, and it's really good for the winter. You take a big bowl of these noodles and the whole family is sitting around and everybody will enjoy this dish. Let's give a little bit garnish. Here we go, the tasty, delicious, nutritious tomato beef roast soup noodles. It's really easy to make. You just need to put everything inside of the cooking pan and everything is done. You buy the wooden soup, put it in the fridge and defrost it, and it's easy, and you cut, you put. No need to make from scratch. And it got protein inside, veggies, the fibers, carbs, and vitamin C, vitamins, minerals, everything in. So let's enjoy the bowl of soup noodles, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let me see you in my next video. See you.